What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to skimboard behind the boat so you can pull off cool tricks like this one. One of the hardest parts about skimboarding behind the boat is actually getting up on the skimboard, so I'm going to explain how to do that now. So when you're about to get up on the skimboard, you want to have your feet where they feel most comfortable and the bottom of the board facing the boat vertically like this. Having your board set up like this makes it really easy to get up when the boat starts moving and you feel the pressure against the bottom of the board. So when getting up, you want to have your arms tucked inside of your knees, so when you feel the pressure of the boat going, you can pop right up. When getting on the skimboard, you want to have your knees bent so you can roll right on top of the skimboard when the boat starts moving. Of course, it won't be easy, and sometimes you'll probably look like this. Hope this video helped, guys. Enjoy this video of me riding. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.